Hello students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to revise what we all studied in our earlier classes. Okay. So first we will complete the fill in the blanks. Later on we will go to the match the following. First, the members of family are dashed together. The members of family are live together. The dash indicates that many generations spread out and grow. The family tree indicates that many generations spread out and grow. In family tree, the names of children are written according to the dash. In family tree, the names of children are written according to the seniority. Small families with only parents and child or children are called dash family. Small families with only parents and child or children are called nuclear family. Dash in the family is important to have peace, security and happiness. Unity in the family is important to have peace, security and happiness. A family with more than two generations living together in a same house is dash family. Yes, a family with more than two generations living together in the same house is a joint family. Nowadays, dash families are increasing. Nowadays, nuclear families are increasing. 8th, in drawing family tree, square symbol is used for men. In drawing family tree, square symbol is used for men. 9th question, in drawing family tree, dash symbol is used for women. In drawing family tree, circle symbol is used for women. 10th, group of people living in a specific area is called a dash. Group of people living in a specific area is called a community. 11th, members of community are dash on each other. Members of community are interdependent on each other. In India, dash of the total population live in village. In India, 72% of the total population live in village. 13th, dash is the major occupation of 70% of village people. Agriculture is the major occupation of 70% of village people. 14th, agricultural activities dependent on dash. Agricultural activities dependent on rain. 15th, the Nirmal Gram Yojana program is for the dash of villages. The Nirmala Gram Yojana program is for the cleanliness of villages. 16th, India has nearly dash cities. India has nearly 5,000 cities. 17th, families living in dense forest or hilly areas are called dash community. Families living in dense forest or hilly areas are called tribal community. Games build the dash among individuals in community. Games build the relationship among individuals in community. Mountaineering is an example of dash games. Mountaineering is an example of adventure games. 20. The highest peak in the world is dash. The highest peak in the world is Mount Everest. 21. Dash was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Native adventure games reflect our dash. Native adventure games reflect our culture. Dash climbed Mount Everest first. Students, don't get confused. Here, Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. whereas Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay climbed Mount Everest first. Yes, the whole in world, for the first time Mount Everest was climbed by the Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. 24. Dash has remained a part of Mysuru Dasara Games even today. Yes, even today if you went to Mysuru Dasara, yes, you will come to know that still the wrestling is there, which is a native adventure game. 25th. Dash games provide special experience and physical competence. Adventure games provide special experience and physical competence. Dash games provide special experience and physical competence. Yes, all, no doubt, all the games will provide a experience and physical competence, but adventurous games provide special experience and physical competence. Dash games being overshadowed by the advent of new technology. Native adventure games being overshadowed by advent of new technology, like nowadays we will be having the TV, mobile phone, so all these things have came. So see, you also prefer to play in mobile rather than playing in ground. Yes, nowadays you are doing like that only. That's why native adventure games being overshadowed by the advent of new technology. Dash program provides free sites and grant and loans to build houses for the poor people who will be living in villages. So Ashraya Yojana program, who gave it, gave by the government. Ashraya Yojana program provides free sites and grants and loans to build houses for the poor. People dash to cities in search of jobs and for better education. People migrate to cities in search of jobs and for better education. Migration, do you know, students, what do you mean by migrate? Yes, migrate is nothing but shifting. Yes, the people will shift from villages to cities for what? In search of jobs and better education. I hope you have saw this early in your earlier classes. Yes, let's glance it once. The signs used in the family tree. A square symbol, it says, yes, the sign is used for male. A circle symbol, female. A square and a circle symbol is joined by a straight line, which you can see in your slide. So that is husband and wife. The children born to father, mother has been introduced. Yes, it has been shown in your slide. So see it clearly. Yes, by using these signs one can draw a family tree. So here a picture has been given. Yes, there is a sign and there is a relationship. First one, circle with a circle and a square joined with a straight line. Yes, it shows wife husband. Second, yes, there is a circle and there is a square, but did it join by a straight line? Is the first sign and second sign are same? No. Yes, so they will be having the different, they are different. So second one is elder sister, younger brother. Third, mother daughter. The fourth sign, father daughter. And fifth, there are two square boxes. Yes, so elder brother, younger brother. And the sixth one, there are two circles. Yes, in the fifth one there are two squares has been given, whereas sixth one two circles are there. So it is elder sister, younger sister. So now the match the following came. So first one is rural community. So here one side the communities has been given and another side, yes, on your right there are three different answers has been given. So what do you find in rural community? In rural community, what you will find? In rural community you will find agriculture. Yes, in rural community we will be finding the agriculture. And what about urban community? Urban community will be having the buildings. Yes, in cities you can easily find the buildings. Whereas tribal community, the community which lives in dense forest, yes, such type of community are called as tribal community. They live in forest. Yes, students. Next, see these pictures and choose, yes, which one is which one. So you have to choose. You already studied about this in your class, so just go through this once. Okay, so river rafting, which one it is? This one is river rafting. Yes, and mountaineering, yes, which one it is? Yes, the person who is climbing the mountain. Okay, skydiving, which one? Yes, the person is jumping from the sky, skydiving. Okay, and mount cycling, which one? Where you can find the cycling. Yes, students. So what left? Rock climbing. Yes, I hope you understood this. Next, identify it and name it. Yes, in your classes, yes, in your reader it has been shown. The first one is yoga. The people were doing the yoga. Second picture, they are doing gym. Yes, and the picture you can see on slide, it is a they are dancing. And in the fourth, the children are playing like you. How you will play? Yes, in ground. So here there has been given few pictures which are, yes, native adventure games. So you have to write the names. You already studied in your classes. So first picture, it is weight lifting. Yes, the person is heavy rock he is lifting. So it is weight lifting. In the same way, name this and write it. Okay. I hope you are doing just well and you are practicing all your chapters at your home. So do well. Thank you.